Welcome to Department of Chemical Engineering at MIT-WPU University, Pune.
MIT-WPU University and its Department of Chemical Engineering is the place where a recent curriculum is adopted along with the innovations into the industrial fields. It comes into process industry automation, to process engineering, to machine learning, data sciences, AI, or autonomous plants in the world where the 21st century chemical engineering is moving. This is the research lab where the students can produce renewable energy with the waste management technologies, including usage of solar, wind, CBG, and green hydrogen, which is the fuel for the future.
Working in this lab has given me invaluable insights into chemical engineering and their industrial applications.
My research on novel green catalysts for hydrogen, methanol, and dimethyl ether synthesis using agro-waste biomass.
The insights shared by industry leaders have been invaluable in shaping my understanding of emerging careers and engineering opportunities.
The placement opportunities at MIT-WPU has set me on a path to a fulfilling career in chemical engineering. We exposed the students to industry visits, rural immersion, and guest lectures delivered by industry experts as well as academic professionals in order to give them a wholesome experience. Department of Chemical Engineering has a strong connect at different industrial sectors like petroleum engineering, process engineering, environmental, and many more. And I'm proud that our students are placed in all these different sectors.
Seeing large-scale chemical processes in action during my internship made me appreciate the impact and scale of this field.
Transform your passion of engineering in meaningful career. Join Department of Chemical Engineering at MIT-WPU University, Pune.